Hey everyone, welcome. Thank you for the subscribers. I appreciate you. I'm learning, passing the knowledge as I learn. I like to make videos. When I make the videos, it makes it easier for me to understand what I'm doing or how to put it together, I should say. Um, Today we're going to take a white ceramic tile. We're not going to use TI02 or titanium oxide or anything like that. We're just going to engrave the tile. We're going to use some Sharpie markers to color it in, and I'll show you the results. Let's get to it. Thank you. Everybody talks about how they do the Norton white tile method and everything, and that's great. Especially if you can get the formula down. I do have a video that I found somebody's formula, I gave it a try, and I'll show you the results on that. But today we're just going to take a regular white tile, engrave it, use a little bit of permanent marker on it, and show you the results on that. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is bring in our file that we want to do. I went ahead and used Bing Image Creator AI to make this one quick and simple. We're going to go ahead and trace it out real fast. I'm using a camera, so it's easy for me to align. We'll just go ahead and bring in the tile, update the overlay, get this to the proper size, drop it on there. That looks pretty centered. If we want to make sure, I could go ahead and just put a square around it real fast. Take that, click on my image. Center the two. There, now it's definitely centered. We'll go ahead and remove that outline. Next we'll go to the cut settings. We're gonna go to 1400. We'll go to 45% power. Looks like I'm right around, let's put it at the normal .1, see how it comes out. 254 lines per inch, going left and right. We'll look at the fill. Going from bottom to top. I'm good with that. About an hour and a half, and we're done. We'll let it go, and we'll come back and check on it when it's done. Hey, now that it's all done, I figure I'll show you the results. Looks great. I hope you think so. Can't really tell the orange on the butterfly, but it does have a different color to it. Probably could have waited a little longer before I wiped it. I could probably just go ahead and add more orange to it now, and it would probably hold. But very simple project, last minute Easter thing. Please subscribe if you found this useful. I look forward to doing more videos. Thank you.